Ever heard of Airwallex? Chances are, you've probably benefited from their services without even realizing it. But just how big is this financial technology giant? Let's dive in. Airwallex is a global financial technology company that's revolutionizing how businesses move money across borders. Founded in 2015, they've quickly grown into a major player, offering a suite of financial products including international transfers, business cards, and embedded finance solutions. What makes Airwallex truly impressive is its rapid expansion. They've secured substantial funding rounds, attracting top-tier investors. This has fueled their global growth, with a presence in over 30 markets across Asia-Pacific, Europe, and North America. But numbers don't tell the whole story. Airwallex empowers businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Their innovative technology streamlines international transactions, reduces costs, and improves efficiency. This has a significant impact on global trade and the global economy. Airwallex operates in a competitive landscape with established players and emerging fintechs. However, their focus on innovation, customer-centric approach, and global reach position them well for continued success. To further strengthen their position, Airwallex has forged strategic partnerships with leading technology companies and financial institutions. These collaborations expand their reach, enhance their offerings, and provide access to new markets. So, how big is Airwallex? They're a global fintech powerhouse, rapidly expanding and transforming the way businesses move money. With their innovative solutions and ambitious vision, Airwallex is poised to continue its impressive growth trajectory. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.